Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So maybe you already familiar with Xenea Wallet Mining. If you have already joined, then you can skip this video. The second season is running now, but it's still in the early phase and there's a lots of time to mine points. But if you are new here, stay with me. I'll show you how to join this airdrop and mine points. So what is Xenea Wallet? It's a part of Xenea, a layer 1 blockchain that works with Ethereum and has built-in storage for your data. So here I'll show you how you can join this airdrop and what to do. If you visit their X handle, you'll see Xenea is very active there, and as you can see, they have got around 532k followers at the time of making this video, and they are very active and share all the updates here, so it's a positive sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, go to the App Store or Play Store, or I'll provide the direct link in the description. Then here in the search bar, you need to search Xenea Wallet. Then install it. Open the app. After that, it will ask for a referral code. I'll provide the code in the description. So you can use that code for 1000 instant points. Then you need to sign up using your email. After that, you will land on the main app dashboard. As you can see, I got the 1000 points for using the referral code. Then here you can claim your daily check-in points. Here in the daily quiz section, you can earn points by giving the correct answer daily. So click start quiz. Today's answer is number 2, so I'll select that and submit. As you can see, I got 100 points for that correct answer. So don't miss participating in this daily quiz. Now in the mission section, as you can see, there are some missions. You can complete them one by one to get more points. Now click this mining icon and refresh it. It's very important, take a note. You need 10,000 points to start mining. So the easiest way is to earn referrals with your friends, or you can add your family members to activate the mining. In the rewards section, you can see your ranking. And finally, in the settings, you can add security and customize your profile. And that's it for this video. I'll give you updates over time, so make sure you join our Telegram channel. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.